And remember, if I can cook it, so can you. So go nowhere. Let's create London broil. Yes, London broil. This one is about an inch and a half thick. Actually 1.6 pounds. They call it London broil, but it's truly an American cut. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to be a little bit generous with the salt. And I'm using this salt from Iceland that I ordered. Nice price. Seaweed salt. I'm going with the seaweed. I know seaweed tend to be with seafood and stuff, but I wanted to put some strength to it. You know, kind of diversify the thing a little bit. And what you do is you rub the stuff very, very well. That's why I'm using the seaweed one, because it's a little bit more coarse. You can use any type of salt, and you're going to do the same from the other side. You can cut the fat out, by the way, if you want to. I'm going to leave it there. Let's go. So I preheat this with a little bit of butter. I'm using ghee. You can use any butter. Just to preheat and put some grease there. And what I'm going to do is, let me put a little bit more of the salt. I'm going with vegetable oil today. I don't know why. And you put this baby there. Medium high. Thick steak. Then I'm going to let one side cook for about 5, maybe 6 minutes. See what happens. You have to watch it. I'm going to turn it this way so you can see the side. So after 6 minutes, I'm going to turn it around. Look at that beauty, huh? Turn it around, put some garlic. And let it cook. Not going to take long. You can grab a little spoon, put some of that oil on top. Do you think? The butter and oil, grease. From the grease on the side. So cook on the side so the fat gets cooked. So first side was like for 6 minutes, the other one might be about 5 minutes. But I like the fat to be nice and cooked. So I'm trying to get that side cooked too. I always say handle away from you so you don't get burnt. It's almost done. Okay. Time to put it to rest. Get a bit. Let it rest for about 5 to 10 minutes. Perfect.